Write your name at the corner of your paper and take both clumps of clay out of your bag. You're going to use the smaller one first to make the base for your coil pot. Roll it into a ball by making circle shapes with your hands. Then place it on your paper and squish it down with your flat hand until it's the size of a cookie. You might have to push down more than once to get that cookie shape. You can tear the bigger piece in half by twisting the clay in opposite directions. Squeeze the clay to make it more of a snake shape and then start rolling it out. If you make your piece smaller, it'll be easier to roll. Try to make the thickness a medium size between a thin marker and a thick marker. To join two parts together into one, try overlapping the ends and then pinch them just a little bit, and then gently smooth it with your finger. To glue down your snake, dip your finger in water and trace around the edge of the cookie shape. Then gently press your snake around the edge. Add more water for the next layer, and then keep winding it around. Overlap the next piece, pinch it gently, and smooth. And keep going around and around. And there's your pot. You can keep it like this, or you can turn it into a snake. I can use a toothpick for texture, or a marker cap, or rub a net into the clay to make it look like snake skin. And when you're done adding texture, make sure that your name shows on the piece of paper, and then put it on the tray on your table. Then grab a wipe and clean up.
This clay is darker gray when it is wet. It turns light gray as it dries out.
Then I will put it in a big oven called a kiln, and I will cook it at a really hot temperature.
It will turn white once fired in the kiln.
And later we will paint it with a special kind of paint called glaze.